Hi guys, welcome to Money Talks with Foster. If I have to ask you, how financial literate are you? What answer would you give? We have realized that many people are crying come month end, just after receiving their paycheck, and even throughout the month, that their financial status is getting lower and lower, and their bank balances are even getting to the negative. And I have to ask again, how financial literate are you? If you have to rate yourself out of 10, how many marks would you give yourself? Simply put, financial literacy are skills that are required or that an individual have in managing their finances. If I have to repeat again, how financial literate are you? Anyway, the purpose of this video is to try to elude and to come up with ideas how you can understand what is financial literate and where exactly are you lacking in your financial management techniques, to come up with a solution where most people would utilize in order to manage their finances wisely and correctly. There are basic understandings in which you can leverage on in order for your financial literacy level to be at a higher stage or higher level. We are going to discuss about budgeting, saving, and investing. Only these three are simple ways of trying to come up with an idea or a level of your financial literate. If I ask again, how much are you earning as an individual per month? Obviously, because you are receiving your salary and you know how much your company is sending or is debiting your account each and every month, it becomes easy for you to answer. But if I have to ask you again, how much money are you using per month? Many people would not answer that. Why exactly? You may ask. You are using credit cards, at the same time you are using cash, and you are also depending on borrowing. And in most cases, you are not tracking your expenditure. You may be earning 20,000, but you may be using also 25,000 per month, more than what you are earning. Again, how financial literate are you? Now, I have given you a highlight of matters that comprise your financial literacy. To begin with, let me talk about or discuss with you budgeting. Simply put again, budgeting is just knowing how much money is coming in and how much money is coming out as income and as expenditure. Are you able to track your expenditure symbol, or are you able to buy according to what you have decided, or you're just buying just because you have money? When you see something, you buy, and when you come across something, you buy. Simply put, budgeting, you just track your income, then you put it on the other side, then you track your expenditure, then you put it on the other side, then you allocate the amount of money which you think that is equal to your expenditure. But after budgeting, the next phase we are going to discuss, you and I, is saving. Are you saving as an individual? My brother, are you saving? My sister, are you saving? We have seen many people crying when it comes to January, when it comes to school fees, when it comes to other important expenditure, because they don't have anywhere to run to, or they don't have any account where they would draw the money to cover those type of expenditures. Saving is just comprising of allocating money that you have budgeted for to different accounts that will cover future expenditure. As an example, assuming that you are earning 20,000, you decide to save a portion of that income, let's say 10%. 10% of 20,000 is 2,000, which means you should have somewhere where you will put your 2,000 every month, being it under the bed, in the safe, in the piggy bank, or opening a savings account at any bank of your choice. Another level that you can use in order to measure your financial literate level or your financial literate skill is investing. If we talk about investing, many people just think of putting money to purchase foreign currency, purchasing stocks or real estate. But investing comprises of a diversified level of things that falls under an umbrella term investment. You think of going to school, you are investing. You think of starting a business, you are investing. You may invest in your time, or you may invest with your money. Investing is just making money, making you more money in anticipation of returns. When you understand these three things, you can use them to highlight or to measure your financial literacy level. How literate are you? Being literate does not mean that you just purchase something, but it requires of a skill that you will use to manage all your finances through budgeting, savings, and investing. If you are not capable of doing that, I advise to hire financial management firms, individuals that are capable of managing your finances. Unlike a scenario where you, at the end of the day, at the end of the month, you don't have anything in your name as an asset or as a liquid cash. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Please subscribe, hit a like and share. Until tomorrow, goodbye.